In this video, I'll show you how to set up forms in Webflow. Start by signing into Webflow and opening the project where you want to add a form. Once you're inside the designer, open the Add panel and drag a form block onto your page. Next, customize the form fields to collect the information you need. You can add fields such as name, email, phone number, message, and more. Click on any field to edit its label, placeholder text, and settings. After that, select the Submit button and update the button text if needed. Make sure the form is clear and easy for visitors to complete. Now open the Form Settings panel. Here, you can configure what happens after someone submits the form. You can customize the success message and error message that users will see. Next, publish your website and test the form by submitting a sample entry. Then go to your Webflow project settings and open the Forms section to view submissions. If needed, you can also connect your form to email notifications or third-party tools using integrations and automation platforms. Finally, test the form on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up forms in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.